So, over the next couple days across the northern portions of the US, specifically the northern plains and the Midwest, we are going to be having a scattered chance of severe weather across the northern plains and Midwest for the most part over the next couple of days. Starting off today, June 29, 2026, we have a enhanced risk of severe weather across North Dakota, Minnesota, and South Dakota over here in the orange, very small bit. I would say though that really this isn't going to be much of a problem as we already had those 100-mile-an-hour winds already pass by us over in this orange area, including Aberdeen, South Dakota. So I will really say that for the most part today, it's just going to be the slight risk of severe weather. And today's big risk is going to be the hail and the wind threat, which we do have a slight risk and a 50% chance of, really across the Dakotas and Minnesota for the most part. Same thing with the wind. We did have a 30% chance of the Category 2 risk across the area where we did have those 100-mile-an-hour winds coming through. For the most part, though, I would say 15% chance with the Category 1 risk is what we'll pretty much be seeing across Minnesota and the Dakotas for the most part. For June 30th, 2026, we have a slight risk of severe weather across northern Wisconsin in the upper peninsula of Michigan. We also do have a very extended marginal risk all the way from eastern Colorado up into the Great Lakes area. Also do have one around the state of New York and as well as some portions of New England. Biggest risk for this day is going to be our wind risk, which we just do have a 15% chance of in the side risk and the yellow. For the hail, it's really just going to be, just isolated, possibly some damaging ones over here in eastern Colorado and as well as western Kansas and Nebraska. Really going to be isolated though for the most part. And then for the tornado threat, this is wrong. We just have a 2% over here for the UP of Michigan and northern Wisconsin, as well for some portions of upstate New York. That's actually what it is. This is just an error made by Pivotal Weather for the most part. And then for, I believe it's June 1st, 2026, we have a marginal risk of severe weather pretty much for the same areas here, so we're gonna have to be keeping an eye on the same repeated threat over the next couple days. If you guys like to see another Hunt Weather short or video, make sure you guys like and subscribe and like these videos as it does help me make weather content. So please do that and share it with other people. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.